Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Actually, I was in a very bad mood today and I will tell you that in a bit. So I thought, why not just come here and do some makeup. Like, makeup therapy is the best. It just lifts up my mood. And I was actually going to film this makeup look for my Instagram, but I thought, why not come here and shoot a long video instead. I posted a makeup look in my Instagram stories a few days ago, and so many of you wanted to see that makeup look, like the tutorial on that look, and I thought this is the right time to do it. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm so sorry if you're able to hear some background noise. That is because the AC is on and it is so hot today. I just cannot do without this. And अगर मैं fan चला लूँगी तो noise would be even more. So please deal with this. So I have not prepped my face. I have only washed my face and now I'm going to use a moisturizer. This is the Plum Green Tea Oil Free Moisturizer. Whatever I am putting on my face, I am linking it in the description and also mentioning the names. So you can go to the description and check it out. This particular moisturizer I have reviewed on my Instagram and also talked about this so many times in my stories and other videos. It is great for oily combination skin type because it is so lightweight and it blends like a dream and leaves behind no greasy mess. Now I'm done applying the moisturizer. I am going to use the LA Shield Sunscreen Gel SPF 40. So how are you guys doing? The lockdown just keeps extending and I so miss the pre-lockdown days, pre-COVID days, something I really miss. I was not even married that time and like I used to step out of the house every single day to go meet Chirag, and now that we are married, like we're not even able to go out that often. Things have changed so much since 2020. Now I am done applying the sunscreen. I am going to go over with the primer now. If you're wondering why I keep looking this side, because I have the entire drawer of my makeup right here. Like मैंने वो drawer निकाल के यहाँ पे रख दिया, so it's easy to pick my products. So the primer that I'm using is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless. This is great for oily combination skin type. Actually, this will go well with all skin types. But if you're oily combination skin type and wondering what to use, this is something I would recommend. Now coming to why I was in a very bad mood. So Bath and Body Works have their sale going on. So I shopped a lot of products from their site and it was such a nightmare for me to even check out. Like the products I was trying to check out, it kept going back to the first page saying that some of the products are not in stock. But I went to that particular product to see if it is in stock and it was in stock. So I thought maybe I'll wait for an hour or so and maybe check back in. So when I tried for the 5th or 6th time, I was able to check out and I was trying to Google Pay. So I did that and the payment was successful, but it was not reflecting in my account. Like in the orders page now, my order was not there and it kept requesting me to pay the amount, but I had already made the payment. So I took screenshots and I sent it to their Instagram handle and they were not ready to revert. It was almost 2 hours. I kept messaging them. I also tried calling the customer care and the service is so pathetic. Like no one would even pick up the call from that side. And then I tried mailing. It said that this email ID does not exist. So I found out some new email ID to their service on their website. So the mail went through and I'm still waiting for a revert. So like my money is gone, but there is no order placed and no revert from their side. So like I am in a very bad mood. Let me know if you've also had such bad experience. shopping online. In fact, even last week I was trying to shop from Zara. The money got deducted but the order was not placed. So ये 2 week में second time हो रहा है and I'm just pretty frustrated. I've not even received a refund for my Zara and I'm still waiting for it. So I placed another order because I really wanted the dress. And whatever was there in my cart, so I have paid 2 times in fact. So I am waiting for a refund for the first purchase that failed. So yeah, just waiting for refunds. Okay, I'm done with the primer now. Oh, should I color correct? Okay, I'll do that. So for dark circles, what I do is I use K Beauty ka peach color corrector. So I'm just trying to find where the color corrector is. Finally managed to find my K Beauty color corrector. I'm linking all the products in the description, so if you're not sure of what I'm using, please go check the description. I will be mentioning each and every product there. So I apply this under my eyes and here on this laugh lines and under my lips, and I'm actually going to blend it with my fingers. I find using fingers very easy to blend this concealer. Okay, now I'm done blending this peach corrector. Now I'm going to go and use my foundation. Now you guys, if you are a regular follower, you know my favorite foundation. It is the MAC Studio Fix SPF 15 foundation in the shade NC40. I'm first going to apply a foundation using a foundation brush from Real Techniques on my face. So I apply more under my eyes and baki ka to I blend it out. So आँखों के नीचे it is like more concentrated and on the entire face it is a very light layer. I normally use a buffing brush, which is this one, but I have to wash this, so I'm using a beauty blender from Sigma. I'm not a big fan of using foundation sponges anymore. Ever since I used a buffing brush, I just don't feel like using a beauty blender. So I've applied a very light layer of this foundation because I don't want to use a thick layer. I'm not going out anyways. I am just planning to film a few videos with this makeup on. So yeah. Also, if you're wondering where is this cute mirror from, this is from I think Miniso. I got it last year I think. I am now going to use a concealer, a highlighting concealer under my eyes and on my chin and nose. So the highlighting concealer that I use is Instant Age Rewind ka Neutralizer shade. It is a light shade. I'm going to apply a little bit here. And here. On the inner and outer corners of my eye, on my chin, above my lip, and on the nose, and some over here. So I previously used to use medium shade in this concealer to highlight, but since it got over, I already had this neutralizer shade and I think it is also doing a very great job. Now face will do baad mein, or should I do the contouring first? Okay, I'll do the contouring first and then I'll zoom in and do my eye makeup, then the rest of my makeup. I think I really need a lip balm. The bronzer that I'm using is of course the Benefit Hoola bronzer, the one and only bronzer I love using. Since I am getting regular with YouTube, I really want some recommendations. So please let me know in the comments what more would you like to see. Just help me out a bit. Please comments में बता देना what would you love to see. I'm open to all suggestions, be it makeup, skincare, remedies, challenges, couple videos with my husband, etc. So please write it down in the comments and I shall have a look. Now I'm done with using the bronzer. I will now zoom in and do my eye. So the eyeshadow that I'm going to use is from Nykaa. It is the Eyes on Me 10-in-1 eyeshadow palette. I am going to use these brown shades right here. Starting from the lightest shade, which is, I'm going to apply this on my crease and blend it out. Follow the same on the other eye. So now that I'm done using the lightest shade, I'm going to go over with a dark shade right in the middle, and then I'm going to blend these two. So to apply the darker shade, I'm going to use my fingers because I think that works the best. Is a kind of eye look that would go so well with anything that you wear, be it an Indian attire or be it jeans or top or just any dress. This is such a neutral eye look and it's so easy to do. All you need is any eyeshadow palette with multiple tones of brown shade and a kajal. Following the same on the other eye. Do not worry if like these two layers look different because you have to blend it out anyway using a brush. Now with a clean brush, I am going to blend this portion so that it doesn't look like those different layers. You have to blend. Take as much time as you want. So if your separate layers na dikhe. Now जो ऊपर किया है, the same thing you have to do down. सिर्फ फर्क इतना है that you need to start with a darker shade and then blend it with a lighter shade. So it's just easy to blend that way. I mean, this is the thing I do. This is how I like doing it. I'm not an expert, of course, but so I am first applying a darker shade. Now I'm going to use a lighter shade to just blend it out. Also, I haven't baked because I don't do it every single time. I only do it अगर कुछ function हो or if it's a heavy glam look. That is the only times I bake with a baking powder. I mean, of course, not खाने वाला baking powder. I use the Makeup Revolution banana powder for baking my under eyes. I think yeah, it looks good. The applicator that you get like this, it is so useless. I never use it. Okay, now I am going to use a kajal ऊपर की तरफ like a liner, and then I'm going to smudge it out. The kajal that I'm using is this Nykaa Eyes on Me Kohl. No, it's the Nykaa I Am Smoky Kajal. I'm going to roughly apply it on my lids like that, very close to my eyelids. ज़्यादा नहीं लगाना, बस थोड़ा, and then I'm going to smudge it out. You can see I've applied more on the outer corner, like on the outer corner of my eye, and थोड़ा सा ही on the inner corner. Just make sure कि ये prominent lines ना दिखे. बाद में we are also going to take a brown shade and blend this out so that it looks well smudged. It's not proper right now, but we are going to smudge it later with brown shadow, so it's okay. I think we are done with this, and now I'm going to use a brown shadow to blend this out. The same dark shade that I used, I'm going to use it to blend. Now we are going to use the same kajal on my waterline. To complete the look, I am going to do my lashes. I'm not using any fake lashes because I'm not comfortable with them, and I use them only I have to go somewhere अगर कोई function होगा कोई. The mascara that I'm using is the L'Oreal False Lash Superstar Mascara with step 1 and step 2. I love this mascara so much. Like, when you're using this, you frankly don't even need to use a fake lash. So I will apply the primer first. You know, the only sad part with this mascara is that it is not waterproof. So if you go out in the rain, or if you cry, पानी अगर लग गया इस पे, or if you even use a makeup setting spray on top of this, it is going to smudge. Like, not readily smudge and flow down, but if you touch it, or if you by mistakenly rub your eye, it is going to smudge like anything. That is the only con that I see in this particular mascara. Otherwise, it is really, really good. I'm not even sure if they have a waterproof wala version for this. Now I'm going to let this dry for a bit and then go with step 2. जब तक ये dry हो रहा है, let us just do the face. I have already used the bronzing powder. I am now going to use blush. Blush that I'm using is from Smashbox Cali Kissed. So this particular palette has so many different shades. It has blush and highlighter both. But the sad part is इसमें जो matte वाला blush है, it is a dark shade. बाकी सब में थोड़ा सा shimmer है, but the shimmer is not tacky or anything. Just that I don't prefer to glow on regular days. Let's use the lightest shade. It does have some glow to it. Anyway, I have not used a setting powder yet. I will use it in the end, because I really want these powders, like the contouring powders and my blush, to like literally stick on my face. I have absolutely no idea what is wrong with the lighting here. I'm trying adjusting the light, but it just looks very bright and not so perfect. If you haven't tried using a blush on your chin and nose along with your cheeks, you have to try this out. It just gives a very natural blushed look. I'm not going to use a highlighter because I'm just not in the mood to use any highlighter, क्योंकि ये blush में as it is थोड़ा सा glow है, तो I'm skipping it. Now going ahead and using the second step of the mascara. Let's not forget that. I still remember एक दिन मैं इसका second step लगाना भूल गई थी, and that's how I just stepped out of the house, and later I realized मैं ये वाला लगाना भूल गई हूँ. If you want, you can also use this on the lower lash, but because this is not waterproof, I'm not going to use it because I've had really bad experience using this on the lower lash. I once, like, I had to go somewhere and I used it on the lower lash, and then I slept off, and after I woke up, mascara was smudged all over and it just looked really bad. I had to go and wipe this section off, use a concealer and just redo the entire eye look. Very bad experience. Now that we are done with the eye look, let's go ahead and do the eyebrow and lipstick. I think हाँ बस इतना ही बचा है. I actually have a lot of brow products, but I really keep going back to this goof proof brow pencil from Benefit. Not only is it very easy to use, but the shade matches me so well. I am only going to use it on the outer portion of my brows and not यहाँ पे, just to make it look natural, and that is what I always do I only use my eyebrow pencil यहाँ से. I don't use it यहाँ पे inside. Let me know if you like watching such chit chat videos, and I can also make similar ones for skincare and hair care. Let's just do this for hair care and skincare as well. Let me know in the comments. If you are able to hear the background noise of someone talking, that's actually my mom-in-law. Okay, so the lipstick that I'm using is the Nykaa Dyna. This is a beautiful mauve shade, and I think this will go perfect with this brown look. मैंने इसको लिप बाम पे ही लगा दिया. I don't like applying matte lipsticks on top of a lip balm, but ठीक है. A lipstick can actually change the entire look, right? Now I'm going to use a setting spray, and I forgot to get it right here. I have to go to my dressing table to get it. So wait a minute. The setting spray that I'm using is from Ofra. I actually had very high hopes from this one. I thought it would be matte for some reason. I don't know. ऐसा लिखा तो नहीं था that ये matte है. But it really makes my face look very dewy, and that is something I don't like. But अभी ले लिया है तो काम चला लेते हैं. It is not a bad product, just that I like matte finish, and this is not matte. So let this dry, and then we are done with this. Let me know in the comments what more would you like to see, like, और मैं क्या बात करूँ. I have so many things to share, and I'm such an introvert. Like, I don't even share things with anyone, but for some reason I am just really liking sitting here and talking to you guys. Let me know what topics should I cover. Should I talk about the law of attraction? Should I talk about the books that I love reading, like self-development books? Should I talk about how to manifest what you want and things that I do to stay positive? I'm not sure if you are interested in these topics, so please help me out here. बाकी तो मेकअप हो चुका है. It's time to go. I'll just give you a zoomed in shot of how my makeup looks. Can you see how dewy my skin looks? It just shines like anything, and it looks really good, but something I do not prefer. I love matte finish, but ठीक है. It, like, a lot of people have told me that this glow really looks good on you, but because I have combination skin, I prefer matte finish makeup. I don't know, maybe ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, even better than matte finish, but just personal preference. So that was it for today. I will see you all very soon. Till then, take care. Bye guys.